When that is the case, take advantage of it. Well, this is one of those. This is going to give you free shipping and handling, and this is bringing you the bath rug and a hand towel. We've got several different ones to show you.
Yeah,
so
great
we've got to
combinations.
show you and try to lay this out so you can understand it.
Right.
We'll take you one at a time. We're going to start with the butterfly.
So first of all, these towels are from Turkey. They have a jacquard courtly check border and a beautiful embroidered butterfly. They are incredibly absorbent. Feel how plush.
Oh, I know. It's
And
really
they're
high
big.
end.
They're beautiful. They are absolutely gorgeous quality. They're going to really pick up. Look at the size of that.
Oh, I know. In fact, that one is going to be 16 by 30.
There you go.
Which is more, you know, I want to say elegant size
And
of
then
it.
we paired that.
Yeah,
and I
look
want
at
you
this.
to literally
I'm going to pull
run
this
your
out.
fingers through this.
So you get one, you got to see the size
Our
of this.
bath rugs
the only
are
way to do that.
incredibly luxurious.
Okay.
They're backed in a little bit of rubber so they won't skid around on the bathroom floor.
Yes.
They are unbelievably plush. They're made of cotton and rayon, so they actually shimmer a little bit.
Wow.
And
Yes,
feel
that's
them.
what the rayon does.
Can you even stand it? How good would that feel on your
Oh my
tootsies?
gosh, that's great.
So luxurious.
So this is the one that goes with the butterfly.
Isn't it
Let's show
beautiful?
the whole thing if we can.
And there's the
So you
butterfly.
can actually see what it's all about.
There you go.
So that's greens, pinks, white with the black and white check around it. That's
are
called butterfly.
Gorgeous, gorgeous,
Then
gorgeous.
we get to the bee.
Queen
and
bee.
the
Queen bee.
bee.
Aren't we all a queen bee?
Well, we should
after
be.
all? I know. We should be. So you're getting this beautiful bee towel, embroidered and gorgeous, but look at the rug that it goes with.
Oh my goodness.
And really,
Look at how
truly,
pretty that
run
is.
your fingers through it. They're
Yes.
so luxurious.
And this is actually raised and cut.
They're sculpted.
So they are sculpted.
By
You can
hand,
see it
by the
right
way.
there.
You should see them making
Oh my
this.
gosh, these
are
are
made for us in
amazing.
India, and we got really good, amazing coverage by a very famous magazine on how luxurious they are.
I know we've got to keep going because
going.
we're
You bet.
with this one. This is called Always Flowers, and that one comes with these polka dot towels. Is that right?
That's correct.
And then we've got this
That's right.
rug.
Let's
Look
open
at
it up.
this. We have
And
to open it because the colors.
towels are made in Portugal,
Yeah.
and there we are.
Look at that.
Isn't that stunning?
Oh my goodness. If you like aquas, olive colors,
Burgundies.
go with the Always Flowers. And then there's this one called Pucker Up.
Oh, yeah.
How cute is that?
Or Kiss My Feet is what we should call it. Because that's what I think we should call it. So it's really
are
plush
funny.
and lovely. It's so good. And then what about the